Namaskaram. So far, you have listened to our Vedic chants rendered in an authentic way. In the same way, we want to present the Upakarma of Yajurveda in an authentic manner with clear pronunciation and procedure for you to follow and perform that to your satisfaction. So, what is the significance of Upakarma? Upakarma marks a new beginning in a year to learn the Vedas and an important prayashchittam or a remedy for all sins committed during the past year. Performing Upakarma is our sacred duty and doing it properly is very important. Towards that end, we have attempted to document the entire procedure in video form from highly qualified Vedic scholars so that you can follow and perform easily. Please use the link given below to register for the event. The Yajur Upakarma has following anga or parts. Samhita Dhanam for brahmacharis, those who have not married. Kamo Karishit Japam, Brahma Yajnam, Mahasangalpam, Yajnopavita Dharanam, Kandarishi Tarpanam, Shravana Homam or Viraja Homam or Prayashchitta Homam. Vedarambam, this is very important. And then Jayadi Homam. Finally, Punar Puja. We have performed this Upakarma with learned Vedic Pandits, Sri Narayana Bhat Ganapatikal as instructor or guru, and Sri Raghu Ganapatikal who will repeat and perform the relevant actions which you can follow easily. I can understand your desire to listen and to repeat the mantra slowly and correctly when we do the puja or any rituals. The significance of each of the above rituals is also shared. Language is not a barrier because instructions are given with proper action. So you can simply repeat what is being said. This will definitely be a unique experience for you. Since these are pandemic times, you can perform your duties in the safety and comfort of your home. So, if you wish to perform this Yajur Upakarma in an authentic way, with the help of this video, you can register by clicking the link given in the description below or by visiting ganapati.com and register for this event. There will be an entry fees towards the streaming charges, videography and other infrastructure charges. The required items that are needed to perform Upakarma are also specified in the same link. Please make necessary arrangement to have those with you. Following items are required for Samhita Dhanam: Panchapatra Udrani, Tambalam or plate, Agnikundam or Homakundam, Karpuram camphor with matchbox, Varati and Shra, Darba, Pavitram, Kurcham, Samit. The following items are required for Upakarma: Punul for Brahmachari 1, married person 2, those do not have parents usually put 3. Panchapatra Udrani, Kinnam, 2 small vessels, Tambalam or plate, Sombu filled with water, Darba, Pavitram, Kurcham, black til or ellu or ginjali, you can say ginjali seeds, rice, Vadyar Dakshana. For the Homa section, you can watch the Homa that we are performing for you. In case you are interested in performing the Homa, then keep the necessary items The items are darba, samit, turmeric powder, kumkum, pushpamala, rice or akshata, panchapatra rudrani, kinnam 2 or small vessels, tambalam or plate, sombu filled with water, darba, pavitram, kurcham, agnikundam or homukundam, karpuram, camphor with matchbox, varati, shra, darvi or sukshruvam, kalasam, naivedya items, fruits, betel leaves, etc. We request you to share this information with your relative and friends who are interested in doing the Upakarma with full mantra and authentic procedure. So, kindly register yourself at the earliest and we will see you on Yajur Upakarma day. Thank you. Namaskar.